So in this lesson, we're going to learn greatest common factor, which is also called GCF. Some people also call it GCD because whether it's GCF, GCD, it's ultimately means the same thing. Okay, so GCF is what's commonly used. So let us just practice this by doing some examples. Alright, so we learn the procedure how to find the GCF using some math examples here. Okay, so let's do some practice. So I'm going to find the GCF of two numbers. We have 12 and 8. Okay, so we're going to first of all write down 12, and then we're going to write down all the factors of 12. So as you know, 12 factors of 12 are like 1, then you have 2, 3, 4, 6, and then 12, right? And the same way I'm going to do the factors of 8, right? So what are the numbers divisible by, divisible or can be divided? Okay, 8 can be divided by, so I have 1, 2, 4, and 8. And then we're going to find out which is the greatest common factor, which is the common factor and biggest. And the answer is, what is the number that's the biggest? The answer is 4, right? Because 6 just doesn't have. So what's the GCF? The answer is 4. Greatest common factor. So what's the greatest number? Sorry, I just kind of messed up on this one. All right? Okay. So now we're going to do GCF of 12 and 54. So we're going to do all the factors of 12, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And then we're going to do factors of 54, which is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 54. Now what's the greatest common factor? The answer is 6, right? Okay, perfect. So now we're going to practice a little bit more. Let's do GCF of 42 and 98. So we're going to write down the factors of 42. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 21, and 42. Then we're going to do factors of 98. Alright, so we have 1, 2, 7, 49, and then 98. Okay, we'll read it. I think redo that one. So we have 98. So we have 1, 2, 3, 1 through 7, 49, and 98. So the GCF is going to be the biggest number, which is going to be 7, which is common. So GCF of 40. Now we're going to do 44 and 64 and 100. So first of all, we do factors of 44, which are going to be 1, 2, 4, 11. Yeah, 44. And then we're going to do for 64 the same thing. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 64. And now we're going to do for 100. So we have 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 25, 50, 100. And the GCF is going to be 4. Okay, I forgot the 20, but I'm going to keep that. But that doesn't change the answer, because we're going to look at the greatest greatest of all the 3. So the greatest of all the 3 is still going to be 4. All right. Okay, perfect.